I see so many realtors want to model the wrong people. You want to find somebody that's created a really successful business for them that knows their number. You are the one who makes everything happen. You are in charge. What's the number one lesson every real estate agent needs to know when they come into the business? I have interviewed so many agents who are looking to get into real estate. I've interviewed so many agents who were looking to build their business, move from one company to another. I've been a manager for Keller Williams, Coldwell Banker, and Compass with different models and different strategies. And the one thing that I want every agent to know is that you are an entrepreneur, meaning you are an independent contractor and you are in charge of your business and your results and the way you think. You are the one who makes everything happen. And so a lot of times I know agents are newer, they don't have sales background, they get into real estate and they engage with a manager here or an agent who could possibly be a mentor to them. And then they connect with the wrong person and they take them down the wrong path. So how do you know who you should be connecting to? How do you know who's the right person to lead you to create your successful business? Well, here's the thing that I learned myself, that I learned from experience in real estate when I got into it in 2002. I started watching what other realtors were doing. And I was watching what successful realtors were doing. Because the number one way to create success for yourself is modeling other people. It's the easiest way. People have come before you and have done the things that you want to do. And all you have to do is model them in order to create that success for yourself. And so when I say that, here's the thing. I see so many realtors want to model the wrong people. They see on Millionaire Real Estate Agent that are sipping martinis and selling $10 million homes. And they don't have a pathway to model them, right? They're not seeing their business plan. They're not seeing what they did to get to that success. They just see that they're having success. And so they want to model that. And that's not what modeling is. That's not what we're talking about. You want to find somebody that's created a really successful business for them that knows their numbers, that knows everything they need to do on a week-by-week basis in order to get the business that they want to have. You want to talk and model people that are excellent communicators, that develop clients for life. You can see so many different realtors out there with so many different models. Some of them focused on just making commissions. Some of them focused on helping people and supporting consumers. Some of them are focused on building out their teams, right? And adding people onto their teams. But they don't even know what they're doing. They don't even know their own numbers. So how can they lead other people? You want to be smart at the beginning of your career. You don't want to just give your power over to somebody and tell them, teach me. You want to know who you're going to model, and you want to model the things that create success in real estate. So let me be clear with you. The things that always create success in real estate are talking to people, lead generating, talking to new people, and staying in touch with your clients. And that means a phone call. There are so many people who are building out businesses right now and they never communicate with their clients. The more you communicate directly, the more effective your database becomes. So if you're calling your clients once every 90 days and you're checking in with them, seeing what real estate needs they have, or if they know anyone else who might have real estate needs, then you're doing the right things. You're modeling the right way to build a business. So that's the number one thing, the number one question that needs to be answered for every single realtor before they get into real estate is, who are you going to model? Look for the successful people that have what I call duplicatable businesses. That's who you want to model, and that's who you want to engage with. And by the way, when I found those people, my first thing was to take them out to lunch and pick their brain. And not all of them would agree to it, but a bunch of them did. And I learned so much from those people by taking them to lunch and picking their brain and modeling their business. Success leaves clues. Remember, that's the number one way you want to build your business. Mahalo.